National news. As BR elections come close, tensions remain high between the JDU and the LJP party. LJP party has now decided that it will leave the National Defence Alliance. LJP party, that is the Lok Jan Shakti party, will now contest elections independently. That is because of the differences between the JDU CM candidate Nitish Kumar. LJP said that it is going to support BJP after polls, and it is also ready for a BJP candidate for the post of CM. LJP also declared that it will contest elections with the slogan "Modi se bair nahi, Nitish ki khair nahi." LJP is likely to exist to solve a 50-50 split between JDU and BJP, and it will also inject a complexity between the two dynamics that are going to share power after polls. Thank you. International news. As tensions remain high between the two post-Soviet countries, that is Azerbaijan and Armenia, over the Nagorno-Karabakh region, on Sunday, the president of Azerbaijan, that is Aliyev, declared that Armenia should make a timetable for their withdrawal from the Nagorno-Karabakh region, and if it is not, and until that is not achieved, our Azerbaijan forces will continue their military action. They also reported that Azeri forces are now advancing to the region which they had lost in the 1990s war, and they are soon going to recapture it. Officials also reported that Armenian forces have now attacked their second biggest city, that is Ganja, and a video depicting the same is now trending on the Twitter with the caption that Armenian forces attacking residential houses. Thank you. Defense news. Tensions remains high as standoff between the two nations, that is India and Pakistan, over line of actual control drags on. Now there is also a concern because of triggering a wider conflict just because of a misunderstanding. Military level discussions are awaited after October the 1st, the day on which China celebrates its National Day. But in the meantime, China claiming to move forward with the 1959 treaty, fully knowing that India would never accept it, is just tensing the situation. India on its side is very confident that Indian soldiers are well trained in mountain warfare, and India, having changed the status quo over the Pangong Tso, is not hurrying to give China a face saver, even if want a wider conflict. Thank you. Sports news. Roger Federer, along with Serena Williams, decided to take part in the 2021 Australian Opens. With the first Grand Slam being held in Melbourne, it is expected that 50% of the ground seats will now be filled up with the viewers. This would bring a big change in Melbourne, which has been in coronavirus lockdown for nearly 3 months. It would also be a big task for Tennis Association to organize a match in Melbourne, which is a part of the Victoria State, which accounts for almost 90% of the 894 deaths related to the coronavirus. Thank you.